Hey guys, Patricia Zars here, your Texas pool concierge. Today on Pool Talk with Trish, I want to just go over with you guys a little bit about what is a fiberglass pool and what makes fiberglass such an ideal material for an in-ground pool. So let's dive in. Okay, so what are fiberglass pools? Well, fiberglass pools are in-mold, handcrafted pools that are delivered completely ready to install in your yard. The fiberglass itself is created by millions of interwoven glass threads that are then covered and sealed with a polyester resin. And this makes fiberglass a very, very sturdy material. Now, if you think about some of the other things that are made out of fiberglass, bathtubs, sinks, hot tubs, all of those designed to hold water, what about million-dollar yachts? Or airplanes and helicopters, exotic cars, and many other very high-performance products. So as you can imagine, it's a very sturdy, but also a very durable material. And when it comes to making a one-piece fiberglass pool, there's a lot of different layers that actually go into the pool shell itself. And a common misconception is that the thicker the pool, the sturdier it is. But that's not always the case. When it comes to the strength of a fiberglass pool, there's a few different types of fiberglass: hand-laid and chopped. Your hand-laid is going to lead to a better overall product. And just because a pool shell is thick, it doesn't necessarily mean it's more sturdy. In fact, a lot of times the additional thickness just comes from additional resin that's added on top of the fiberglass, and this can actually make the pool shell slightly more brittle and less flexible. So the ratio of the fiberglass to the resin is very important because you want to make sure that the pool is not only very durable but also keeps its flexibility. But the right combination of the fiberglass layers and the resin, and some manufacturers even put things like carbon fiber as a layer in their pools, this makes fiberglass an ideal material for an in-ground swimming pool. If you've got any questions at all, just reach out, 210-834-7054. I'd love to answer any and all of your pool questions. I look forward to seeing you soon, and I look forward to helping you get swimming.